What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got something new, the Yamaha XT600. So the idea is to ride this old beast 9085 off-road, and today it's gonna get its first wash. Stay tuned. A bit of a backstory. The previous owner wanted it to go to a new good owner because he had it for almost 30 years and they wanted the new owner to use it instead of sell it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna ride it off-road at a local enduro track. The first wash is done. I will show you the footage. Further, what we're going to do is give the bike overall maintenance. The kickstart, it will take around maybe 10 times kick before it goes on, so that's a bit too much. Yeah, we're gonna fix that, then first gonna ride it and see how it performs off-road. So we wanted to do a few things, and 6 hours later we took the bike apart. We painting the red pieces red again and took all the plastics off because we're gonna fix all the plastic. The exhaust is off, and look at what we are doing. This is not what we wanted to do with the bike, but since we are busy with the bike, why not? All the red pieces we're gonna paint with a small brush because this is all rusty, as you can see here. And these this is the part that we already did, and yeah, it's much better than these pieces. So that's what we're going to do. We had some electrical issues with the blinkers. There should be a switch over here and that's not available. The new battery, the oil, the air filter, the spark plug all came in. The fairings will get some ceramic coating. Let me show you. First, what we're going to do is fix the seat. It's all dirty, as you can see here. I'm gonna spray it with this, very popular in the Netherlands. It's starting to get a little bit brown already. So next is the leather protect. So what it does, it keeps the leather nice and smooth. So I hope you can see it on camera, but the seat looks much darker. I'm happy with the results. So what we are going to do with the fairings is we're gonna apply some ceramic coating, so it's get its deep shine black again. Use this small polish machine and get a little bit of shine. It's more like cleaning. Alright, the next step is applying the ceramic coating. It's probably not visible on the GoPro, but it's a bit more black and a bit more shiny. What's up guys, a new day, and today we're going to install the fairings again on the bike. The ceramic coating all dried up now, it's all nice and black again. I'm gonna mount this on the bike. Should be a switch over here. So after a lot of trying and checking what's the best option for us, we created our own mirror. This is the end result. We tried to paint this at the beginning of the video, but it doesn't reflect any light. That's why we created our own using the mirror, which you just saw. It is a bit brighter than original. That's what we wanted. What's up guys, and a new day. Tonight we are busy with the tank. So what I did is I grabbed the polish machine, and you can see the difference already. This is what I did. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see it on the GoPro, but there is a lot of difference, I can tell. Opa! And what we are going to do today is try out our new ultrasonic cleaner. Here you have it. Brand new. What we are going to do is, the exhaust bolts are a bit worn out. We're just gonna try everything in it because it's brand new and we want to know what it does. Deze moeten.
Die carburateur die ik heb, past er ook niet.
Here you have the results of the ultrasonic cleaner bath. I hope you can see it, but the thread has been cleaned a lot more. There's still rust on it, but I don't think we have the proper chemicals for that. So what we are going to do is continue with the brush, but this is 100% better than it was before. Boutjes. Hello again, and yet another day. And today what we are going to do is change the oil, install the battery, I guess. Yeah, the spark plug needs replacement. The exhaust, we painted black. Here you can see it. Heat resistance black paint. And if we go over here, what we did, this piece was originally on the bike, and yeah, it's all got dents. I believe this is just a piece of aluminium and that the previous owner bent it somehow very well. I would not do it like this. So we got replacement parts. Very nice. What we need to do is copy this angle, and this is what we need to weld. And this is the current status. Ceramic coating on the tank. It's nice and shiny again. This time you can see it on the GoPro. And we give this another layer of coating for extra shiny.
Nou, toen kreeg ik al een berichtje van hem wacht.
Ja.
Okay.
No, denk ik niet. Okay, one small problem. Our spark plug tool is too big, so we need to buy another one. It will be delivered tomorrow, so next time we'll fix the spark plug. For now we continue with the exhaust and mounting the bike all together again. Something like this. We are going to manufacture this by our own. Something like this. Alright, took us a few months to get back on this project, but if you look at this, nice. And this is what we made. Very nice. Compared to this one, with dents and all that kind of stuff. So now fixing this, mounting a bolt. Very nice. Alright guys, it's alive! Cost us a few hours, but maintenance, oil, spark plugs, and now it's 3 times, 4 times kicking and it works. Very lovely sound with the homemade exhaust, link pipe stuff. Very nice. Very, very nice. Is het remmen? Knippen. Andere. Mooi hoor. I am happy to announce that the bike is finally done. We had a little bit of issues with the bike because it was leaking very much oil. When we changed the oil, what we discovered was there was nearly 7 liters of oil inside the bike, which is quite a lot. The recommended is almost 2 liters, and since the bike was having 7 liters of oil in the tank, in the back and in the engine, it didn't fire up quite well, and currently it should not take longer than 10 times kicking. Turn off the choke. Okay guys, and the only thing left to do is ride this beast. I hope you can still hear me. Ride this beast and bring you along with me. Let's give this old beast a little spin and see how it performs. The headlight is working. What a sound. Don't know if you can hear it, but the sound is so awesome. It's still wet on the road, so need to be careful. Oh! It turned out so awesome. The only thing left is to fix this one. But we're not gonna bore you with swapping out the cable. So let's finish the video here. It was a very lovely project. Enjoyed it very much. Luckily we have 2 other old bikes standing at the garage. We're going to fix those 2 as well. And we continue with the Suzuki DR600.